In today's video, I'll show you how to create a registration form in Typeform step by step. Whether you are collecting event signups, webinar registrations, class enrollments, or client applications, Typeform makes the process simple and professional. First, open your Typeform account and go to your workspace. Then click Create New Form to start from scratch, or choose a registration template if you want a faster setup. Once the form builder opens, start with a welcome screen. Add a short introduction explaining what users are registering for and any important details they should know before continuing. Next, click Add Content and begin adding your registration questions. Start with basic fields like full name and email address. You can use short answer questions for these. Make sure the email field has validation enabled so users enter a proper email address. After that, add any extra questions you need. For example, you can ask for phone number, company name, event preferences, attendance type, or any additional information related to your registration process. If your registration has limited seats, you can also enable response limits so the form automatically stops accepting submissions once the limit is reached. You can make the form more organized by grouping related questions together and keeping the flow simple and easy to follow. Next, customize the design of your form. Open the Design section to change fonts, colors, backgrounds, or upload your logo to make the form look more professional. You can also add conditional logic if needed. For example, if someone selects VIP ticket, you can automatically show extra questions related to VIP access. Before publishing, always test the form in preview mode. Submit a sample registration to confirm everything works correctly on both desktop and mobile devices. Once everything looks good, click Publish and copy your form link. You can then share it through email, websites, social media, or event pages. And that's it. You've successfully created a registration form in Typeform and are ready to start collecting registrations professionally. And that's how you create registration forms in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.